Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this bird. So let's now start the video. So let's first go to rectangle tool. Select this point and make a square of 100, 100 mm. Now go to push pull tool. Select this profile and give a value of 600 mm. Now select this body. Go to move tool. Select this point. Press control and place it at a distance of 1250 mm. Now again select this body. Go to move to select this point, press Ctrl and place it at a distance of 2000 mm. Again select this body, go to move to select this point, press Ctrl and place it at a distance of 150 mm. Now go to push pull tool, select this face and give value of 200 mm. Again select this face, give value of 200 mm. Now go to line tool, select this point and join it here like this. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle here like this. Go to push pull tool, select file, drag it up to here. Again go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle here like this. Go to push pull tool, select this profile and drag it up to here. Now go to erase tool and delete this line. Delete this line. You also delete this line. Now go to off tool, select this point and create an arc here like this. Go to line tool and create the profile. Now go to circle tool, select this point and make a path here like this. Select this part, go to follow tool and select the profile. Go to raise tool and delete this profile. Now double click this ball, right click and make group. Go to move to this point and place it here like this. Slightly adjust it like this. Again select this point, press control and place it here like this. Again select this body, press control and place it here like this. Slightly adjust it. Again select this body, press control and place it here. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle here like this. Go to push tool, select this button and drag it here like this. Now go to offset tool, select this face and give an offset of 70 mm. Now go to push pull tool, move this face and give a value of 150 mm. Now we'll make pillow for the bed. For this go to rectangle tool, select point here like this and make a rectangle of 300, 650 mm. Go to push pull tool, select this face and give a value of 120 mm. Now go to offset tool, select this face and give an offset of 30 mm. We also give an offset of 30 mm. Similarly here also 30 mm. There are also options of 30 mm. We already have an offset of 30 mm. Now move to cylinder phase. Press oil. Give a value of 25 mm. Cylinder phase given a value of 25 mm. We also value of 25 mm. Cylinder phase given a value of 25 mm. We also 25 mm. Now we use to press control and delete these lines. Delete all these lines. Delete all these lines. Now go to select tool. Select this window. Select this window. Right click and make it. Now that our bed is ready, let's use texture tool. For this, select this whole bed. Go to materials. Go to wood and select the structure. Into it here. For pillow, will give white color please. For this, go to colors. Select white texture and do it here. And for bed, we'll use some other color. Go to carpet and fabrics. Select the structure and do it here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.